What's happening, Captain? It's your boy cbhunts, and look what you see before you. I got this huge haul right here from Big Bad Toy Store and Entertainment Earth, and they got a little few something from Amazon. So thank y'all for joining me for this unboxing. So I just want to say thank y'all, and let's just have some fun. Open this bad boy up. So, cause if you trust me, this right here is gonna be a long ass video, so get your have something to eat on, something to drink, and then just have some fun.
It's time to ride. Please let me see these keys. These figurines can't find them under CD keys. It's CB, hunting like it's BCE. What's happening, Captain? Flames on your TV screens. He got unboxings, homie unboxing. Stocks are rocking, mail unboxing. The contents never boxed in. It's real, man. The hunt's on lock. Don't stop the mail, man. Place it in the P.O. box. He got them. All brands is Toyland. CB Hunts. Follow now and join in.
You with me? I'm ready to get this paper, G. You with me?
Okay, in my household, we have a little thing called figs and faith. So, main thing you see around my household, you're gonna see my action figures, like that. But also got a little stuff added in for mom's sake. We got a little like a whole lot of spiritual stuff. I'll say that, and a whole lot of like black art as well. Just by saying that, I did order this. You haven't seen it on my neck. I got these dog tags. The dog tags have some spiritual sayings on there. So even though I got it in all black, I wanted to get these in all silver. But I do got the dog tags in silver, but I wanted to get the chains as well. So I wanted to get the same chains I have on right now. So with these, these come in a 2-pack. We'll open this up here. These come a little 2-pack, but these comes with these come with a little a across. So I got two. One for my silver chains, the other one might use for something else. So I got, like I said, I got the black one with a cross, and I got a silver one with the A cross. I'm gonna keep the silver cross for me. I'm gonna get the black one. I don't know my mom's that, so we got that there. So I just wanted to show that and share that. So now, here comes the part of the actual figs. So I don't know what's all in this box. I do know what's in this box, but I don't know what is like which. So, to a chance open it up. Hope everybody's been doing really well, because I know I've been having fun getting all this stuff, choosing. Like now to the day in the toy age now, especially if you like old school stuff and they making everything old school right now, bro, it has been like man. But I know I can't buy everything. That's the only thing. So this is here that I got. This is from the Hasbro Marvel Legends Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, the Spot. But this is the version where in the second movie, you finally learn how to use his powers and we got more powerful again. I'm not gonna tell the full story on how he became this version of the Spot, but yeah. But I do got the other version that my homeboy Gavin, aka Black 917, got me. So I didn't want to do that review without getting this one first, so I could do the both of them at the same time. Basically the same figure, same stuff, everything else, but it's painted differently. That's all it is for that part there. So move this box out the way. So here, next box. Like I said, I don't know what's all in these. Well, I know, keep saying I know what's in the box, but I don't know what it was in certain ones though. Go ahead and get this bad boy open. Oh, come on, box, open it. Get it out the way. Like I said, I couldn't find these in stores at all. So I just happened to order them online. I got them in. So I got the McFarlane Toys DC Multiverse, the Batman the 89 series version of the Batman from Batman Returns. So I did get him in. So trust me, he looks badass. Bam. Okay. Move this box over. Yeah. Box over here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Hope y'all enjoyed everything, cause hope y'all get everything that all y'all want, cause I know I am. Oops, sorry. Get the actual camera. So, just like the other one, I ordered the McFarlane Toys DC Multiverse. I got the Batman from the Batman Begins. Batman. They ordered that one. I'm kind of loving making all the movie versions of all the DC figures. Like I said, he already made Superman. I'm hoping we get a Bruce Wayne of the Batman Begins, a Christopher Reeve or Kent, hopefully make them, and at least Adam West, well, Bruce Wayne too, and we also see Robin of Burt Ward as well, hopefully down the line. So move these boxes out the way. So now, time to open up the boxes from the Big Bad Toy Store. Out here, I got some gems in this bad boy here. Now, And this bad boy here got some old school stuff, got some new school stuff. Move this out the way. Put that over here. Still see it a little bit, but not much. So, first thing first, inside the box, I did order. I'll finally get a chance to see how these bad boys are. I did get the on-site studio version of the Fraggle Rock. This here, we got Gobo, got him. I'm hoping they make like a few more characters of this. I like to buy everybody. I'm just get like a few characters, but I definitely had to get Fraggle Rock. Cause Fraggle Rock was my show back in the day. And also with the other Fraggle Rock, I did get Red. So I like definitely had to go and pick her up. So she looks absolutely amazing, man. These figures here look absolutely clean. See, this figure, I can hear the song in my head, like, let the music play, worries for another day, and the cats away, down the Fraggle Rock. Oh, man. It's childhood, baby. It's just childhood. And speaking of childhood, definitely had to pick this bad boy up. Soon they can't say they're going to have a release. It was a must-have. So I did get the Super 7 Ultimates. Can't even say it, like Thunder Cats Young Lion-O. So I did pick him up. He look absolutely clean too. I like it. So I did get that. And staying on the old school train, I did pick up sailing with the Super 7, with the Super 7 Ultimates, Conan the Barbarian, King Conan. I know he in the plastic. Trust me, I will do a review to this on all these. So we try to show him a little bit better. But man, but no, you're going to take another. I'll put him. Hold on. Let's see how this bad boy looks though. Okay, yeah, I had to show it up. Man, this mother clean. Okay. There you go. Out the plastic. Well, put it on there for right now. And I can't do young Lionel like that. Let me go ahead and just take him out the package real quick, like the show. And we got like young Lionel. Go to the back of the package. And staying on the same train as the Ultimates, the Super 7 Ultimates, you know if I had to get King Conan. I had to get it. It's wrong, baby. You had to have this. So I did pick this up as well. Man, this bad boy look clean. Now this ain't part of the old school, this part of the new school here. Even though people find them in stores, I didn't find anything in stores at all. So I did order 2 of these bad boys I can have with the head sculpt on and off. Is the Hasbro Marvel Legends Deadpool and Wolverine. So I did get 2 of those. So I can have one with the mask on and the mask off. So I had to get 2 of them. I thought about getting Deadpool, but I already got a whole bunch of them already. So I just wanted to put them over there. I just actually wanted to Wolverine. So let me move this box away because we head to the last one. And now back, had to move stuff back a little bit because this last one is a pretty big box. So last thing we got, I had to get because I already got like almost all of them. I didn't get except 1 or 2. I didn't have room for everything, so I still wanted these because I had them in a certain part in my collection. So definitely had to pick up the McFarlane Toys DC Multiverse. Batmobile from Batman and Robin. I had to pick this bad boy up, bro. This is part of the actual setup I have with all the other cars over there. I had to get this bad boy to go right along with them. So this is gonna look clean, and I can't do. I can't wait to do a review with everything. So I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing because you know your boy had a fun time making it. So this your boy cbhunts. Hope you have a blessed one, because trust me, I will be catching y'all in that next one. Well, we thought it was over. Nope. I got 2 more boxes. Well, if you can't tell, is the next day whole new outfit on. But I did get these 2. I wanted to add it on to the box and stuff. So let's go and get these bad boys open as well. So let's go and can't tell. This one's from Entertainment Earth. This one's from my homie Andrew over there at Toyco. So let's go and get these bad boys out to see what's all in there. Yeah, because at the time I was filming the first time, I thought I had everything in, but I didn't. So they came a little late. So I have them now. So I did get from Toyco. Andrew will leave all that, leave the information down below. I'm going to order from him. But this piece here, I accidentally ordered by mistake. Because I was trying to order 2 others, but I guess I must have clicked this one and said, oh please, but hey, this will be my only like version of it. So I did get the Storm Collectibles Street Fighter 2 Ultra, the final challenge, Blanca. So you see by reading the name, I thought it was actually the toys. So I did get him. So whenever I do get the other Blanca in, we'll be doing a comparison to both of these. But I'm gonna open this one first though. This bad boy look clean. Jeez. Freaking detailed. Oh my goodness. Now, he is like one of my favorite characters of Street Fighter 2. Also like Blanca, not Blanca, Guile. So I don't know if the Guile came out already, but if he does, I am gonna pick him up. So now I got Blanca. So box over here. So next from Entertainment Earth, I want this. Definitely want this one too. I mean yesterday, but I'm kind of glad I have it now. So, because I found out that it came in early in stock on Entertainment Earth instead of me waiting on Big Bad Toy Store. So, got this now. I've been waiting for these bad boys for a while. I still have the other version on Big Bad Toy Store already in pre-order, so I definitely wanted this one because it's more of a updated body and it comes with some special features. So I did get the Super 7 Ultimates Undercats Eyes Glowing Lino. Love the box, and I see they got the slip over his back. Well, I guess because it's a special one. Let's see how this one looks, though. We'll see how this one looks, though. Ooh, a whole new looking box too. Oh, yeah, with that updated paint and how he looks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he had to go on the main stage. Jeez. Sword look better than everything else. Oh, they got all three? What? Okay. Oh, let me show. all new box art too, with blues instead of the black and red. Probably can't tell. Got the Lionel. You see. Trust me, I will be doing a review with him because I also got Kid Lionel too. This looks amazing. Oh my God, the detail. I see why people saying the other version, his paint was like a little too bright. I see why now. This one here is perfect. This one here is perfect. I can see the two hair sculpt that has the glowing eyes. I can tell which one. But how you like them? They just glow? I do not know. Oh, wait. They got with the eye open. What? They got a sword with the sword closed and the eye open. So where he does a thunder, the sword always changes shape. Man, okay. Yeah. So, probably can't, because of a glare. So, yeah, I wanted to add these two to the whole roster. Thank everybody coming through once again. And so, this your boy, CB Hunts. Hope you have a blessed one. Trust me, I will be catching y'all in that next one.